smile. Pose for me. Like you're on the runway. Uh-huh.
Hold on.
What are you?
I'm driving.
Oh, my bad. Okay, that's how. Is that what driving looks like?
Mm-hmm.
All right, then show me something else.
Put your arm up on the wall. Yeah.
Look at that hip.
Raise one eyebrow. One eyebrow.
How do you do that?
Oh, excuse me. Oh, excuse me. Let me get that.
Oh, Lord.
Let me see it again. Is that what cool boys do?
Mm-hmm.
That's fantastic.
What is that?
Take a booty on the door.
Oh, nice.
Stand up. Oh yeah. Gymnastics trick. This is gonna be a gymnastic trick.
You're about to get in trouble.
Ooh, I know one. If y'all move that gate, I might get over.
We're not taking the gate down.
My egg.
Oh.
Okay.
Now smile. That's not a smile. Give me a smile. A normal smile.
Give me Dr. Evil.
What was that thing you just did with your hands on either side of your face? What was that? Yeah, what is that?
Look.
Oh, like a mime? Oh. Where'd you learn that?
You got a great future ahead of you.
Oh, and now you're doing sign language? Mm. Can you dance like Ali? Okay,